Good morning, Octo Nation. We got some great news for CleanSpark. They are announcing multi-unit switchgear contract and expansion into new markets. This is fantastic. Salt Lake City, CleanSpark, a diversified software and service company, today announced that it has received a contract for multiple units of its intelligent switchgear equipment from a long-term energy development partner based in Houston, Texas. This is where CleanSpark is going to shine. The two companies have now collaborated with over 100 unique microgrid projects for which CleanSpark has provided its custom intelligent switchgear. CleanSpark's ATS solutions have previously been installed by the same partner to provide resilient microgrids for a large grocery store chain and for the world's largest retailer. You hear that? We're the world's largest retailer. That's 7-Eleven. We're thinking Walmart, right? We're thinking Walmart. CleanSpark expects additional units to be ordered in the coming months. So more orders coming in the coming months in continued support of these end-use clients. The most recent orders are for 5 switchgear units, 3 of which will be installed on a surface water pumping station in the Houston area. You hear that? So if these guys get, here's the deal, if these guys get known for the dudes that are going to supply power to catastrophic hurricane stuff, dude, that's awesome. Because if like FEMA, like if they start getting like government contracts or the government knocking on their door, dude, that's where this thing could just absolutely fly to the moon. The 2 additional units were ordered for a Texas-based grocery chain that has CleanSpark switchgear currently deployed on several of their locations. The microgrids that incorporate the intelligent ATS solutions not only monitor increasing demand intervals from the utility in order to optimize energy consumption, but also provide a reliable backup energy solution. Amazing. This baked-in resiliency keeps the site operational even during extended utility outages caused by events such as hurricanes. The latest orders are expected to add additional revenue that CleanSpark will recognize during the coming quarter. CleanSpark has shipped in excess of $7.4 million in switchgears during the current fiscal year. Providing our intelligent switchgear solutions for a microgrid on a critical water pumping facility represents an entirely new market segment for the company. Yep, just like I think it stated, CleanSpark's chief CEO, Zachary Bradford, the continuing successful deployments of CleanSpark's unique hardware and software technologies in mission-critical environments have expanded the applications for our offerings. We are pleased that we can leverage our vast experience in military, commercial, and industrial energy systems to support our customers as they expand into new business segments, he concluded. And I could see, if this is Walmart or whatever, that they're probably going to end up ordering these throughout like the whole Gulf Coast, like all their coast locations. They could totally end up ordering these because they're like, we can't shut down again. Can you imagine if Walmart's power went out for like 2 hours and they had to throw away like all their food? In just one location, how massive that would be. It'd be chaos, man. It'd be absolutely crazy. So even installing these would probably save them just from that one downturn. So I think this is huge. Again, once the word keeps getting out that these are the guys to go to, I think this is just going to be so massive. And again, they're still like trickling them in, it sounds like, but I really could see them getting it in all coast locations, and then the whole fires in California going on. That ticker I did the video on, like PPSI, that should get a little bump from this too, because this is a perfect example where CleanSpark says, hey, we're not only going to do the software, but we're going to provide the hardware too. All right, so PPSI should get bumped for this a little bit too. I like this a lot. So what do y'all think? Are y'all multiplying yet? I don't think so. We haven't multiplied really on this yet at all, but it's one of those steady growth ones. It did get smacked around quite a bit. Let's take a look at the chart. We got up to like, what do we get up to? Almost $14. And then we started getting smacked around with that downturn or whatever. But really this just looks like a nice burrito, nice warm burrito for us. I'd say we Let's see if we can draw a nice line. Can we connect it up top here? Let's find out. Yep. Yep, we sure can. Let's wrap the burrito on the bottom. That way it stays nice and warm. Maybe somewhere on here. So there we go. There we have our channel. But look what happened today. We have broken out of the burrito. We squeezed the burrito. The hot sauce has come out. It is a green sauce and it is headed north. So far we're up 5.56%. I'm going to get this video out as soon as possible, so if y'all see it, you can make an informed decision. Make sure and protect yourself. I will bring up too, keep in mind this little red channel we got going on right here. We're actually going to make this one green because we want to get to it. Look back here. What do we have? We have a gap. Okay, gaps are very crucial. They're usually always recrossed. Like, you know, we went up, they're usually always recrossed. We recrossed it, but they're kind of hard to get out of too. So what am I getting at? If we can get above this gap, which is at $9.87, you know, probably above it, let's just call it 10 bucks. If we can get like 10 bucks or over, it looks like it's fair game all the way to 11.81. You know, possibly some resistance here coming off this. Let's throw in a vertical ray coming off this right here at 11.31. I don't see any more burritos I can throw across on the table. You know, possibly 10.74, but not really, because no, I wouldn't even call it. Yeah, so just watch that. If we break out of this, if we get above 10, we should be out of this pocket. But regardless, this looks like a total bull flag is what this is called. We've broken out, and I think we're going to be good if we can get above that. All right, y'all, let's get it.